a beginner, I think it's good to use a beauty blender. It saves time, and of course, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Cholopre. So I decided to create a BOUGEE makeup look for you guys today using all my luxurious products, and I brought this to you. Hope you like it. I'm not gonna sit here and waste your time, but I'm feeling this look. I'm loving it. I decided to go with a really highlighted face today, and so that's why you see all the gold, looking at all this sheen on my face. And before doing this makeup tutorial, I did my BOUGEE morning routine, which is listed right up here in this corner. And so if you'd like to see the products that I use to prep my skin before doing my makeup, please click on this video right here. So let's go ahead and jump into the makeup tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And please support my channel by subscribing. I'm trying to grow my following here on YouTube. And so wherever click I can get, I will appreciate it. I will talk to you guys next time. This is by McGRATH Bronze Seduction Palette, and this is the Mothership 3 Subversive Palette. So these are the palettes that I will be using, and I might use a little bit of Huda Beauty. Not too sure, but the look that I have in mind, I might need a little bit of that Huda Beauty palette. So for a concealer on the eye, I'm going to take this Keyvn Sensual Skin Enhancer. So I'm going to use that as a primer. So I take a little bit, pat it onto the eyes, and blend. I'll take my Morphe M412 brush, and I will go in with a transition shade. And I'm taking the McGrath Mothership 5 palette. I'll take this shade Night Creature, this one right here. It is really pigmented, and I'm just patting it on. So I'll go in with this Huda Beauty palette, and I will take this burgundy shade, and I'm going to use that to add more dimension to the other corner. And then I'm going to blend this shadow out. I'm just patting it on, blending at the same time. So then I will take the Sigma E38 brush. No product is on the brush, okay? So I'm just going to use that to blend out the edges of the two colors that I put down. So the crease is cut, and I'm going to move on to blending it. I'll take a clean brush, and I will blend out my crease. This is Osteria Luna Gold. I'm just adding a little bit of chunky glitter to complement the eye look. I'm not adding that all over the lid, just on the center of my lid. It looks very pretty. The camera is not doing it justice. Very amazing. Very, very beautiful. I'm just gonna finish up this eye, put the lashes on, and I'll be right back. This is my first time doing my brows after I do my eyes, so I've been seeing people do that and I just wanted to try it. So let's see how it works. Maybe this is not my very first time. Maybe I've tried it before, but I don't remember. The brows still look big. This one looks bigger. So I'm gonna tap into it a little bit more. From Mellow Cosmetics. So I use the dark color on my brows. I'm going to use this color in the front to soften the brow. For primer, I'm going to take my YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer, which I really love. I'm just going to apply the primer really quick onto my face, under my eye, my chin, my forehead, Cupid's bow. This primer feels so luxurious. It feels so soft. Now that his face is primed properly, I'm going to color correct. And I'm taking my ABH color correcting palette and I'm going to color correct with the darker shade. See how that dark shade instantly cover up this acne mark that I had there. And for foundation, I'm going in with my Dior BackStage Face and Body Foundation. The shade I'm using is FW. Now I'll take the same sponge and apply my foundation. Look how it sinks into the skin perfectly and effortlessly. I did nothing but just blend softly. This is a medium coverage foundation. So now I'm going to conceal under my eye. I'm going to take my Keyvn Locket Concealer in the shade Warm D31. So full coverage concealer. I'm going to put that right here on my Cupid's bow and also on my chin. And the floor forehead too, and my forehead. Down the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to go in with the Too Faced Bond This With. And then I will go in with my Huda Beauty Tantour in medium. And I'll take my Keyvn double-sided brush and I'll take the angle side. And I'm using that to contour. And that was medium. Now I'm going to take light and I will contour down the bridge of my nose with my Keyvn concealer brush. I'll scope that nose. This shade is a little lighter than the medium shade, so that's why I'm using it. I don't want my nose area to be so dark. I go with the darker shade on my cheekbone and the lighter shade on my nose. So it's time to work out the blendation. So I'm going to take this beauty blender to blend under the eye. I love using the beauty blender because it really does its job in blending, smoothing under the eye. You will have no kicking product. Another thing too I noticed, what I can add to this is that if you are a beginner, I think it's good to use the beauty blender. It saves time and of course it blends very well. So it will blend out the product perfectly and it will take you no time to have that product blended out. So you guys see how the face is coming together? It won't be a tutorial without me clowning. I love to play. I'm gonna go to the forehead. Now I'm blending down the bridge of my nose, squeezing a sponge and blending it. So then I'm going to blend this, leaving no trace. I'm blending it out softly and not putting pressure on the brush. Okay, now I'm going to take my foundation sponge again and just go over everything with it. Again, trying to eliminate any harshness. And we'll use this other side of the Keyvn brush. And I'll take my Cosmetics Medium Deep Studio Fix Perfect Powder, and I'm gonna use that to set my contour and basically just set the other areas that I don't have this light powder. Dust off everything with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation in Warm. And I'm gonna take my MAC Jacob powder brush, dusting everything away. Just to add more bronziness to my face, I'm gonna take my 3-dimension highlighter palette, melted cream and powder. So I'm gonna take this bronzing shade. I'll take this shade and bronze over the face also. It brings that warmth, but yet a little shimmer added to the face. So that's why I wanna go with that shade. I'll take this powder brush from Keyvn. And of course, for highlighter, I'll go in with Too Faced You Light Up My Life highlighter. Now taking this Keyvn brush, I'm also gonna use that down the bridge of my nose on my cupid's bow area. I'm taking Cork. Should I go for brown lip? No, I'll use this. This is NARS Velvet Lip Glide in Mars. Oh, I think I'll add this Gorgio Armani lipstick in 200, and we're gonna set the face with Urban Decay All Nighter Summer Solstice Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, and I'm gonna go shoop shoop shoop. I'm just gonna brush through my hair.